In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge contacts in Xero. Whether you're tasked with cleaning up your contact list or ensuring your records are streamlined, understanding how to properly merge contacts in Xero is a valuable skill. Let's dive right in so you can get back to managing your financials with ease. First, you'll want to sign in to your Xero account. Once you're logged in, head up to the top menu and click on Contacts. This will bring you to an overview of all your contacts. From here, you'll want to choose All Contacts to see the comprehensive list of everyone you've logged into your system. Now scan through your contact list and find the duplicates that need merging. Remember, you can only merge 2 contacts at a time, so you'll have to tick the checkboxes next to the 2 duplicate contacts that you want to consolidate. Choosing carefully is key here as this process will affect your records moving forward. With the contacts selected, glance to the top of the list where you'll see a Merge button. Click on it to proceed. At this point, Xero will prompt you to decide which contact should remain as the primary or master contact. This decision is crucial because the primary contact will be the one that persists, absorbing all the data and transactions of the duplicate. The other contact will essentially be merged into this selected primary contact. It's important to take a moment to review what exactly will be merged. All invoices, bills, payments, and any transactions associated with the duplicates will be moved to the master contact, ensuring your financial records stay intact. Additionally, the details of the duplicate contact will be deleted, so be sure about which contact information you wish to retain. Once you've chosen the master contact and reviewed the information that will migrate, you're ready to confirm the action. Press the Merge button to finalize the process. After you confirm, Xero will seamlessly combine the records and retain only the master contact. Successfully merging contacts not only reduces clutter in your records, but also helps maintain accuracy in your financial dealings. It's as simple as following these steps and taking care to choose the right contact details to keep. Otherwise, it's just a matter of regular maintenance to ensure your system remains efficient and organized. With each merge, you'll get a little closer to a cleaner, more streamlined contact list in Xero. Thanks for watching.